Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. I am alive, as you can see, and to prove it I am at Thornton Gate tram stop and we are going to Blackpool this afternoon, so I'm going to have a little bit of a jolly. We've been on the beach this morning, which is why I look a little bit flapped about. So we're going to go for a ride into Blackpool on the tram. I don't know whether I've just missed one or whether there's one due, but I'm sure they'll not be long. And then I am going to go to Blackpool. I'm going to go and have something to eat. So there'll be a food vlog at some point. Oh, look at that! I've got a halo. And then I'm going to have a little bit of a look round. I've got a meeting this afternoon as well. So yeah, it'll be a nice afternoon out. So come with me on the tram, and we will go and see what we can find. So, what am I going to say first of all? Don't forget to make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter as well. The link is underneath in the description, and if you get that, you'll get all the updates from the great metropolis of the Fylde Coast. I'm just looking for the tram. Come with me and we shall see what we can see. You've never got long to wait for a tram to turn up.
You wish to exit the tram.
Bye.
This tram is warm. Stop gate.
And there I am, arrived at my destination. To a very funny look from the gentleman that was stood on the platform. It always confuses me that, because North Pier tram stop here is opposite Festival House, as you can see there, look. And North Pier tram stop for the journey back towards Cleveland is down there at the side of the Metropole. So it always catches me out, that one. So now we're going to go and have a look. We're going to go and have a look and see what's what. I thought while it's still bright, I don't know what the weather will be doing by the time I've finished in the town centre. I thought while it's still bright we'd go and check out the big pack-up. The big pack-up has begun on Blackpool Promenade, because of course Blackpool by the Sea is over for another year. It finished at the weekend and they extended it this year for an extra week, and it was a good call that, because the weather was absolutely lovely over the weekend. So they're packing up now, and off to the next site for the next job, to do the next fairground somewhere. So imagine putting all that lot away. I mean, we've all put our Christmas decorations away at the weekend, and you pack your Christmas tree up and your baubles and whatnot, and imagine putting this lot away. Good Lord, that must be a right job. They've got all the baubles to pack up, they've got all the tents to pack up, they've got all the illuminations and everything to pack up, the cabins, you name it, it's all got to go away. So that's going to be a bit of an ordeal. It's a skating rink disappearing for another year. Wonder where they're going next. the coaster thing that Kevin went on has already gone. That was, oh, it's there, look, it's all packed up at the back. It's all packed up flat. You see it there at the right hand side of the orange van. In fact, I think that is some of it on the orange van. That's the carousel just disappearing into the back of the van. I'll tell you something, it's bitter today. It's just starting to cloud over a bit. It's just not very good. We've been on the beach in Cleveland this morning and I've come straight to Blackpool. And it was lovely on the beach. And you come here, I never did get to go on that, did I? I didn't realise they were doing certain opening times. So I got diddled out of me go on the snow slide. It's all the rubbish underneath it. They've had, goodness me, that's some clobber to shift. They've had it all covered in scaffolding. So all this scaffolding frame was covered in vinyl sheets. So the rubbish is obviously blown underneath. So they'll be clearing it all away. It's the platform disappearing on the Star Flyer, or Sky Dance as it's now called. I think it's a new one. I think it's slightly bigger than the old one that they had last time. There's another ton of rubbish underneath there, look. Not really any wonder, is there? All the winds that we've had. So it's all being packed up for another year. Some poor, oh goodness me, I was just going to say some poor person is going to get the job of going up there and there's a guy look in the middle. You see him? Oh, I'd wet myself climbing up there. No way on this earth would you get me up there. Oh God, there's another one at the top. I just noticed. Right at the very top, there's another two. Oh dear me. Just imagine going up there. Oh, I'll stop here, thank you. Stop here on terra firma. Right, okay. I'll stick to picking litter up. It's well my cup of tea. I don't know why they don't time like this bitty. Or put something paving-ish down. Because that grass is, well, it's not grass, is it? It's mud. Right, I'm going to go and find something to eat. Go and find something to eat. It's my dinner time now. Doesn't it look lovely though, that light? It looks really, really nice. Just a quick glance at the Golden Mile as I'm going into the town centre. And at Coral Island, there's building work going on inside to convert Peggy's Snack Bar into a new catering place. So all will be revealed in the next few weeks. And I'm sure we'll be going and doing some kind of a food review in there because it sounds very nice actually. Sounds very nice. Well, West Diner is closed. Let's scoot across it while there's no cars coming. And we'll go see what's happening in the town centre. It's ages since I came to Blackpool, just before Christmas. And I came. Oh, that is bitter. Goodness me, that is biting on your face. Came to Blackpool for sort of mid to late afternoon and we went and had a look at all the rides and amusements and things, and Kevin went on that the upside down coaster thing. And this is Showtown's new gaff at the right hand side of us. This is going to be the Sam's Hotel eventually, when something ever gets done. And you might be able to see that inside there are some coloured blocks, and they are for the new Showtown attraction, which is coming soon. You can't really see properly. Then you go up these stairs here to the first floor, and that's opening in March. I think they need some winter sliding before then. You see the staircase? It's a bit difficult to see through that curved window, but that's the staircase that you go up. My favourite shop. Got to see that, haven't I? Got to see that on my way past. I told you to be dropping down when I finish waffling and wandering about. It's just gone 3:30. And it's that little bit lighter, you know. It's that little bit lighter. So I've been told to get something for tea. So I'm going to go in and call into the great God Marks and Spencers and see if they've got anything left. Well, that was Irish if ever I've heard any. Apologies to anybody Irish. At Christmas, I bought 2 pairs of medium black leggings from Primark. Nothing unusual in that, I hear you say. Picked 2 pairs up off the rack. Medium, normal length black leggings, of which I've got umpteen pairs and I wear on a regular basis. Because I don't fall down like tights do. Top tip girls, pair of black socks and a pair of black leggings. So when I got back home, 1 pair is extra long. And I've not got extra long legs, they're just an ordinary regular sized legs. So I've just taken them back. Please may I change these for these? No, I've not got the receipt because I had no reason to think I needed to keep the receipt, because I definitely wanted to keep the leggings until I put them away and saw that they came in another size, which I didn't even know that they did. No, can't do that. Can't possibly do that without a receipt. Can't possibly do that without a receipt. So we fetched as the manager. Manager says, oh no, we can't do that. I said, they're exactly the same, apart from 1 pair is extra long and 1 pair is regular. Got a pair here in my bag, look, that I've just bought. No, can't do that. No, can't do that because we need a barcode. I said, well, I'm going to take a pair of leggings home that are too long, and I'm going to put them in my cupboard, and I've got nobody to give them to and nobody to wear them because you'll not let me swap them. Yeah, sorry, job's worth. I've never been as daft in my life. So I'm going to trundle back to Cleveland's with a pair of extra long leggings. So if anybody's got extra long legs that takes a medium size in Primark leggings, drop me a comment underneath. You can private message me your address and I'll send them you. You can have them. Ah, God, I don't know. Anyway, apart from that, I hope you've enjoyed that little look round in Blackpool. It's a good job we looked at the seafront look as well. They've cracked on. They've cracked on shifting all the stuff. They've got quite a lot packed away. Just while I've been wobbling around Blackpool and talking to myself. And it's now nearly dark. It's 4:30, so I'm going to go home and I'm going to take my tea boys. I'm going to take my tea boys the tea. They'll be stood there, tapping their fingers on the worktop saying, "When is she? Want me tea?" So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope you've enjoyed that little look around about what's happening in Blackpool today. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.